You are scrolling through your social media feed, and there it is again. That sleek, stylish bracelet that promises to fix your hormones and vanish your stress. It pops up between photos of your friends and news clips. The marketing is flawless. It uses these soft, calming colors and words like harmony or natural relief. It sounds like exactly what you need when you are dealing with the heat of menopause or the weight of daily anxiety. But stop for a second. We need to look past the shiny finish. We need to look at what is actually happening under the surface of these ads. This is the Sereniva bracelet. It is being pushed hard as a miracle wearable. They want you to believe that wearing a piece of jewelry can somehow recalibrate your internal biology. They talk about balancing your energy. They talk about supporting your body. But they never actually tell you how it works. That is the first massive red flag. If a product claims to alter your hormone levels, that is a serious medical statement. In the real world, affecting hormones requires clinical data. It requires peer-reviewed studies. It requires some kind of biological mechanism that scientists can measure. You will not find any of that on their website. There are no clinical trials listed. There are no medical endorsements from actual doctors. Instead, you get vague buzzwords. They use the word wellness like a shield. It is a way to make big promises without having to provide big proof. When you strip away the fancy adjectives, you are looking at what we call a wellness accessory. It is likely made of magnets or stones or maybe some crystals. These things have been sold for decades. They always come with the same claims about energy flow. But when researchers actually put these things to the test, the results usually come back as nothing more than a placebo effect. If you feel better, it is probably because you want to feel better. That is not worth a premium price tag. Look at the customer reviews. They are all over the place. Some people say it looks pretty on their wrist. Others are frustrated because they spent their hard-earned money and felt zero change in their symptoms. The critical reviews are especially telling. People feel misled. They feel like they bought into a dream that turned out to be just a piece of metal. You have to ask yourself why a company would hide behind such vague language. If it worked, they would have the data to prove it. They would be shouting that data from the rooftops. Instead, they give you shiny pictures and hope you do not ask too many questions. If you're struggling with menopause or chronic stress, you deserve a solution that is rooted in reality. You deserve something that has been tested and verified by health professionals. A bracelet cannot replace medical advice. It cannot replace a conversation with a doctor who understands your specific needs. It might be a nice accessory for your outfit, but it is not a medical device. It is a piece of jewelry with an oversized marketing budget. Do not let a clever ad campaign convince you that there is a shortcut to biological health. Real wellness takes more than just putting on a wristband. It takes real science. It takes real evidence. And most importantly, it takes honesty from the people selling the product. If a deal seems too good to be true, it almost always is. Stay skeptical and keep your eyes open for those empty promises.